Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to recover old bios on Facebook. But before getting started this video, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Facebook profile and then click on the three dot and click on activity log, and once you're here, click on profile information, and inside of this profile information list you will get your old bio. So for example, here you can see my old bio showing up here. So all I have to need to recover the old bio, just click above the old bio, and from here you can copy the old bio and then you can replace your bio here. So this was how we can recover old bio on Facebook. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.